So before you go ahead and turn your email list into an ATM machine, what do you actually need? First of all, you need an email sending platform like Constant Contact, Aweber. There's so many. Okay, if you search email marketing platform, you'll see lots of those. So grab one of them, grab a free one, as there's a lot of free ones as well. Grab one of those. That's number one. Number two is you need to have an email list. Now, how do you build your email list? Now, I'm not going to promote you my book, but in this book, you can find it on Amazon. I've sold over 60,000 copies of this, and I have no plans to sell it to you, but if you want to get it, you can. It has every single ways I've built my list in the last 11 years. Okay, it's called Evil Salesman. You can grab it if you want to. It's on Amazon. Okay, so what you need to be doing is actually providing value to people. So pretty much, let's say you might write a blog, right? A blog might be about, I don't know, coaches, right? A blog might be about, I don't know, dogs, whatever it could be. Once you go and create that blog, you're going to go and provide value to people in exchange for their email address, their name, their phone number. That's how you go ahead and build your email list, okay? Next up, all you need is some copywriting skills. So copywriting is an art of writing an email. Boom, 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 boom. And once you have those three things, you are ready to make some money, email marketing. Let's go ahead and learn more on how to get this done. Hey, hold on. Before we get any further, I have a little bit of an announcement for you, okay? So did you know I publish videos once in a while for 24 hours and get rid of them? Why? Because those videos are exclusively for my subscribers. That could be you, okay? So right now, I want you to hit that red button and subscribe right now if you want that exclusive content. Now, is it gonna cost you any money to subscribe? No. So go ahead, please subscribe so I can bring you those exclusive content right now. Now let's go ahead and talk about these three. Actually, four things. I missed out something else on the last section. So let's go and talk about four things in detail and how do you actually use them. So first one is email marketing platform. Number two is building your email list. Number three is learning copywriting. And number four is what do you sell? How do you actually make that 100K plus, okay? We'll go ahead and talk about those things in detail right now. So number one, okay, email marketing software. Now, here's the thing, okay? What I want you to do is get on Google after the video, okay? After the video and search up email marketing platform. You're gonna find a bunch of these companies, okay? Aweber, Constant Contact, okay? Let's go and search it up right now. Let's go and see what we can find. So MailChimp, Sendinblue, they are all great companies and most of them offer a free plan as well. I want you to go ahead and take up on all of these, okay? Just go ahead and take up a plan on each of them and make sure that you like it. Make sure that, try sending an email. Try sending an email and see if the email goes to inbox or promo, right? We'll figure that out as well. Make sure these are good companies, okay? Make sure they are not like brand new companies because you're gonna be dealing with them for a long time and you wanna make sure that they are a reputable company. So that was number one, okay? Number two is your email list, okay? So how do you actually build an email list? Let's go ahead and talk about it in detail. Like I said, okay, I'm not trying to push you this book, but this is like the best, in the last 11 years, what I've done, I've written pretty much about there's 21 ways how I teach you how to build it. Like I said, you don't need to get this, but I'm gonna show you what to do, okay? This is just an option, okay? I'm not asking you to buy it, but what do I tell people, right? There's so many ways. This book has it all. Now, so how do you build an email list? So when you're starting out, okay, you have to go ahead and think of a niche, okay? A niche is whatever you're passionate about. For example, maybe it's airlines, maybe it's dog foods, maybe it's pets, maybe it's basketball, maybe it's I don't know, whatever flows your boat. Go ahead and pick a niche, okay? Make sure the niche is not too narrow. For example, I don't know, some obsession about using black shoes. Don't do that. I mean, you can do shoes, right? So have a niche. Now, once you have a niche, your options are creating a blog, okay? You can go ahead and create a blog on WordPress, super easy, right? Or what you could do is go on Quora. So Quora, right? And once you go on Quora, you'll be able to respond to people and see that, let's pretty much go ahead and get on Quora, right? And then there's spaces, right? Spaces are like clubs. And once you go there, you'll be able to respond back to people. And while doing that, you'll be able to build your email list. So those two options have worked out great for me. What else works for me is Reddit. Now, Reddit is brutal if you know how to use it. If you don't know how to use it, but if you know how to use Reddit, it's like gold mine. So go to Reddit again, find your space subreddit, like for example, vets, okay, entrepreneurship, pilot, whatever your niche is, there is a subreddit for that, okay? Once you go ahead and find that up, you can go ahead and start commenting, be known there, share links, okay? Show people, give people value, okay? What you need to do is on that blog, on whatever that article that you have written, right? You need to go ahead and put in an opt-in box. Opt-in box, there are so many WordPress plugins that you can use for it, so many, just search it, okay? You'll find some free one as well. Once you go ahead, you're going to connect that opt-in box. It's a box where people can type in their name and email, right? You're going to connect that with your email marketing provider. Once you go ahead and connect it up, you can automatically start sending out emails. So go ahead and do that. Now, number 3 is learning copywriting. Now, so a lot of people fail to understand what is copywriting. So copywriting is pretty much me using words to make you do something. I tell you, okay, hey Bob, amazing shirt you have that right now, but it doesn't look that good on you. How about a little fitting shirt? With that fitting shirt, you can get more girls. You'll be more attractive. Hey, but wait, wait. Bob is like, I don't want it right now. He's reading the article. He's reading the sales page. You're going to say, he's reading an email, right? He's going to say, oh, I don't want it right now. It's going to say, Bob, you need it right now because it's on sale right now. Grab it right away before your neighbor grabs it and he looks more handsome and gets all the girls that you've been, looking at. So pretty much the idea of copywriting is simple. Okay, a lot of people like to complicate copywriting, if I want to say it that way. They like to use metaphor, simile, all the bullshit that you have learned in like middle school and high school and college. No, okay, copywriting is like having a conversation. There is no right grammar. Okay, if it flows, it works. Okay, I don't need to be having a perfect grammar. I don't need to have a perfect English. If people can, if your target audience can understand it, you're good to go. Okay, for example, let's say you are marketing a product to pilots, okay, and you add something like Roger that, you add that lingo, you are good to go. Okay, you don't need to have a perfect grammar. So learn copywriting. So how do you learn copywriting? There's a lot of people that you can follow. For example, I like Gary Halbert. If you Google Gary Halbert, he has these letters that he has written from prison, and you can read them up and see how good they are. The other person I'm a big fan of is Joe Sugarman. Okay, I'm a big fan of his. Just Google his name. His book is called Copywriting Ad Week, I think. Get that book, okay? It's a great book. Try it out, okay? Read those books. Just search copywriting. Learn the AIDA method. I've taught you that to you guys, right? If you haven't, it's on my YouTube. It's called the AIDA method that you can use to start writing those emails, right? So you can learn those things. Okay, once you have that thing, you are good to go. You are ready to, start, making money. Now, next comes the part where you have to choose, what do you sell them? What do you sell these people? So you have a couple of options, okay? Option number 1 is pretty much building your product. You're like, I don't know how to build a product, Satish. Yeah, you do. All these years, you've learned something, right? That something could be, you're like, no, I haven't. Yes, you have. Yes, you have. What are you good with? What do people come to you for advice? Think about it for a second. Do they like the way you swing that golf club? Or maybe they like the way you calm them down. Maybe you could be a coach. Maybe, right? Maybe you have helped them build their business. You could be a business consultant. So you have that skill. You think you don't, but you do. Trust me, okay? Once you have that skill, you know what it is, right? If you don't, write it up, 10 things, and pick the top 3. Go with the first one, okay? You can, or the last one. It's up to you. Now, once you figure out your skill, you have options. You can sell products, you can sell courses, you can sell white papers, you can sell pretty much everything these days, okay? This is the time where people are willing to pay a premium price on information. info products. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, that is an option. Okay, now for me, I sell softwares. Okay, I sell courses, I sell webinars, I sell, monthly premium of like SaaS product. That's my bread and butter. Okay, now, yeah, you might not know software. That might be your thing. But trust me, if you just start selling courses and like ebooks, you should be fine. Okay, you can put these books on Amazon for free. For free, guys. You can do it. Now, that is one option. Okay, if you want to create your own product. The benefits of creating your own product is the fact that you have full control. It's your product. You price it. You do whatever you want. Okay, you get that email list. Okay, you keep building that email list. Okay, keep that in mind. So pretty much you go ahead and start collecting email list on your blog, right? And then you put it on the autoresponder. You start giving them value, right? And you start selling them your products. Okay, you could do that all day long. Okay, now the second option is affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your products. All you need is three things, okay? You need, number one, the email software, which you'll have, right? And you'll need the actual list of people, which you'll do with your blog as well. And number three is just basic copywriting skills. And like I said, you can use ADA formula, right? Now, once you have those things, go to sites like Max Bounty. Go to sites like ClickBank, okay? There's so many sites. I think I've actually made a video about best affiliate marketing. You can check that out, okay? Go to those sites and trust me, you're gonna find a product that's a right fit for your customers, your audience. You pretty much go ahead and email that out to them. And when you do that, you earn 50% or more commission, okay? Sometimes you make a recurring revenue as well. So that is what I do to make money sending out emails, okay? If that makes sense, you're good to go. And that was it. In this video, you learned what you need to do in order to make 100K plus per month sending out emails. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Keep in mind, okay, I make videos like this often. So go ahead and subscribe so I can bring more videos just like this on your YouTube homepage for free. Till next time, have a nice day.